Hi, my name is PJ Swarntruber. I work for Graber Crane Services out of Washington, Indiana. We're currently down by Boonville, Indiana, assembling a 200-ton Hitachi end dump. This is my first time around a TC 800. So far, working good because of the mobility of it. It's got good charts and just a nice crane to run. We've done everything by putting the bed together for the welders to weld together. Had to flip it upside down. We put the generator motors on the back, the wheel motors, put the tires on it. Most of the weights wasn't too bad, but when we go put the tires on, we had to pick the whole back end up, and that got up into the triple digits, but the crane handled it well. We end up had two cranes sometimes. Like this morning, we just picked the bed after they had it all welded together and put it on the truck. We each had about 35,000 a piece on that. It was about 18 foot away, so like I said, we could keep a radius with the mobility of the crane. The bed we probably had to lift, I'd say 25 feet up, high enough to get the truck to back underneath of it. These are pretty good sized truck. This is my first time running one like this. It's nice to be able to have the mobility and the pick and the reach without having to use outriggers and stuff like that. It made it nice. The machine's been handling well. We haven't had any issues with it at all. We got here, we had to put the counterweights on it and stuff, and everything went well. The computer is very friendly. I've had some computers where you had to make you scratch your head, but this computer here is very user-friendly. It's very smooth control of the load. The swing, the cable, the boom, it's very, very smooth and deliberate. The cameras are nice. You can set them up how you want to. I had mine set up that whatever function I used, the camera went to that function. Like if I wanted to winch, the camera automatically went to the winches. If I was backing up, the camera actually went to the backup. If I was swinging, the camera went to the swing. And to me, that's the first time I experienced that, and that was nice. The traveling is very smooth. I had to unload the bucket the other day, and it weighed something like 40,000, and I had to pick it up and travel with it, and it was just as smooth as silk. I mean, it was no problems at all. It turns, steers good. The tracks have a 2-speed, so whenever you're getting a long way, you can put it in high speed, it travels fast. Or when you're just moving around, you got a low speed for it. It all works good. This crane here, I mean, every crane has its purposes, but this crane here is very, very nice if you're on a hard surface and you have to do a lot of moving, because you don't have to do all the outrigger setup and stuff like that, which takes time. So I recommend this crane highly for if you're in a job situation where you're going to have to move a lot. The unit so far it's done everything it's supposed to do. Yeah, I mean, the traveling is smooth, the boom is smooth, the cable's smooth. It's performed like it was supposed to. For a job like this here where you do a lot of moving and you're on hard surface, I would highly recommend this crane.